Pisces, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of June 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use this angel therapy cards right here. To conclude this reading, I'm also going to use the Butterfly Oracle deck. With respect to your love life, Pisces, I'm being called upon to use this Love Oracle deck, which has been created by me. The link is in the description box, so in case you want to make a purchase, then you can do just that. Pisces, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. Towards the final days of May, stepping into June 2021, we have the Seven of Wands. It's quite possible in this period you were socializing a bit, perhaps you were coming across visitors or guests. But then this could have also left you a bit distracted. Maybe you couldn't focus on work, or time was also at a premium. For many of you, I'm also picking up that maybe you got caught up on account of problems that you were encountering at home. Incidentally, divine help was also at hand. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that June is going to present for Pisces worldwide is the Five of Pentacles. I think Pisces, you should give up on something which is not yours because it will definitely give you peace of mind. Sometimes, you may feel as though you've been left out in the cold. Also, while communicating, I think you should be very clear. Maybe there could be misunderstandings, or maybe you're going to jump to conclusions. Some people could also accuse you of double speaking this month. So it's best to clarify and be clear with respect to communication. This month also your routine could be disrupted. You definitely have a lot on your plate, and then to make matters work also, maybe information or data that is required with respect to your work is not at hand. Some of you may also have to bear with the delays because you have to defer your ideas. Nonetheless, I think this month you'll be very creatively inclined. Malfunctioning gadgets could also affect your schedule, or it could affect your balance as well this month. Ideally, I think Pisces, you're also being called upon to go for spiritual healing workshops, as this will definitely help you from this situation. Influences for this month, we have the Four of Swords energy. Like I said, you need to be very careful with respect to your words. So that is why it would be better to take a back seat like this person here. He seems to be in a meditative pose. That is why you should retreat from the world and find solace in your own self. I think you're also being called upon to rethink your moves. Maybe you have to alter your plans or take a different course of action. In essence, you have to step back as things may not go according to the way you desire. Nevertheless, this month will also be marked by hectic activity. Ideally, also, Pisces, you should follow your instinct. You are known to be quite intuitive people, and that is why the universe is asking you to pay attention to the signs that are there around you. If you want to make gains, you need to follow your hunches. The first 10 days of the month, that is towards 1st to 10th June, we have the Knight of Wands energy. You do have that go-getter attitude in this time. You want to move forward and forge ahead, but in this process, you may also overlook the details. Ideally, you're being called upon to get up and get going. So maybe for some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be travel or movement of some sorts. It would be best to sail with the changes rather than create roadblocks along the way. You should have a flexible mindset as well. Definitely, rewards are going to come your way on account of your positive approach. I think sometimes you could also be a bit irked because people around you are disorganized. Nevertheless, you're somebody who's going to do the tasks to the best of your ability. Possibly in these days, you'll have to tolerate disorganized people. Incidentally or ironically, you could be accused of doing shoddy work. So maybe there is a chance that you have to review the assignments. Communication will definitely increase in this time, but it will also be very profitable for you, so you should capitalize. I think you're also somebody who's going to be the cynosure of all eyes. I think you'll be singled out on account of your looks or the way you carry on at work. With respect to money matters, I think you should be very transparent. Maybe you could be questioned about the way you have put money to use. I think you should be mindful that such situations could arise, so it is best to be on your guard. Next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th June, we have the Moon card. You may feel that there are choices before you. There could also be some kind of confusion that you're dealing with. Many Pisces, you are going to get dreams and insight. Maybe you will get a bright idea. I think you'll be able to manifest what you desire if you have a more positive approach. Maybe your loved ones also feel that you have the blessings of your angels and guides. Pisces, your loved ones may also ask you to take responsibility rather than get into an argumentative mood. I think you should take the onus. Maybe you're also being called upon to contribute towards the family purse. It would be best to focus on work and to align yourself for your highest good. Perhaps the feedback that is coming your way is not going to be too good. That is why you need to focus. In these days, also, Pisces, you should be very focused because your colleagues may say that you need to pull up your socks. In case Pisces, you're on the lookout for a job, the offers that are coming your way may not excite you. Maybe they are not up to the mark, and this could disappoint you a bit. You may also be a bit hassled because you know that colleagues will put the blame on you, though they have an unprofessional attitude. Oftentimes, you may feel as though you get the wrong end of the stick. Interestingly, things will look up towards the final days for you. We have the Seven of Pentacles energy. Surely, in this time, you will plan about the future. I think you will do the groundwork. Perhaps you will also invest in gadgets, or past gains could also come in. In case you are looking for a job opportunity, then this is the best time. I think you should also ask for a raise in case you're already employed. Those of you who have invested in mutual funds or in the stock exchange could make some gains here. While dealing with clients, also Pisces, I think you should be firm because there could be people who want to extract more than their pound of flesh. They could try to intimidate you as well. With respect to your love life, Pisces, I have this card, intimacy, physical. I think you desire a deep physical connection with this person. You want to be intimate with him. Perhaps your hormones are playing up this month. In case you're single, Pisces, I think you may be overcome with nostalgia. Maybe you will recall past admirers or the conversations that you had with these people. Perhaps somebody in your field has also stirred up feelings in you. That is why you're going to recall these conversations you had. On the other hand, in case you're crushing on someone, I think you will continue to cyberstalk this person. Perhaps you want to understand what he is trying to convey on the social media. Singles can also expect a marriage proposal, maybe through a relative or maybe on the social media, maybe through a dating site or a matrimonial site, but then maybe you're disinclined. I think there's also the possibility that there could be more than one suitor who's interested in you. Those of you who are romancing, I think you'll have to comfort yourself as there could be brief conversations. Maybe you will plan date nights. Ideally, I think Pisces, you have to find time for each other despite your hectic schedules. Some of you may also be a bit distressed because maybe your confidant may say that this person only equates you with sex or he only desires physical intimacy with you. But you definitely don't think along those lines. We do have intimacy here, that is why maybe this issue could come up. On the other hand, married Pisces, I think your spouse is somebody who could complain that you're inattentive. Nevertheless, this month your spouse is somebody who's going to make financial gains. Do not allow a third person to instigate your partner or you. Pisces, you should also trust your partner. Infidelity could be a factor here. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you should not put up with domestic violence. This month also, I think estranged people could re-enter your life and this could disturb the family peace. In case yours is an extramarital connection, I think you want to take this relationship further. That is why maybe you're going to plan to surprise this person. Maybe you want to make your way to his home. But I think this person could pour water on your plans. Maybe he has work which has come up. That is why you may wonder whether this relationship will amount to anything. This disappointment is something which you have to deal with, Pisces. Nevertheless, Pisces, for many of you, I am picking up that true love is on the horizon this June. Interestingly, from the angel therapy cards, we have sacral chakra, which is the sex chakra, and we do have intimacy in your reading. I think your angels are asking you to keep the sacral chakra balanced. Maybe you should use orange color. It is the second energy center in the body. Certainly, you will feel passionate, you will have those sexual thoughts. Besides, it is also going to make you quite creative this month. Perhaps, Pisces, you should also strengthen the sacral chakra or the Swadhisthana chakra. Last but not the least, we have relationship dynamics. I think there could be some changes in your relationship this month, maybe with your family, friends, or even your romantic partner. Maybe you're forming a new connection, or some of you could be growing apart in a relationship. I think you do want to understand where your relationships are heading in case yours is a romantic connection, or in case yours is a third party situation, as it did come up in your reading. Possibly some of you need counseling, maybe marital counseling as well, as it could help you heal your relationship with your person. I hope, Pisces, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Star. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.